about it. Ratchet, we could use that.
All right, wise guy. Hey, I thought you were gonna help me. Giant robots attacking.
Welcome back to Behind the Hero. Tonight's heroes are the duo who recently restored peace and order to our galaxy, Ratchet and Clank. So, gentlemen, tell us about your latest incredible adventures.
Well, as you can imagine, we've been pretty busy. After Drek's defeat, there were parades, press conferences, fancy dress balls.
And the wiener roast at Al's.
Oh, yeah, that. And then things started to slow down a bit. After that,
There was the grand opening at Groovy Lube.
Right. I think that was last week.
6 months ago.
We're still pretty busy, but in a more, domestic sense.
Yesterday, I flushed out my radiator core.
I guess no one needs a hero right now.
armor you're wearing is standard issue for new contestants.
Contestants?
We will explain later. Greetings, hero, and welcome to Dread Zone. Rest assured, you are now far beyond the reach of hope. There will be no rescues, no pardons, no possibility of escape. You are now a contestant on the greatest television program that Galaxy has ever known. Prepare yourselves. I'm gonna make this one messy. We'll see who the real hero is. Chances are you'll be dead by tomorrow. But those of you who play the game with skill and strategy will earn a chance to win your freedom.
Time for some real action. It's time to blow stuff up! That's right, it's time for Dread Zone, the galaxy's #1 uncensored, unethical, and completely underground combat sport. Blasting straight at you, live from the Battle Dome! Ratchet Live, right here, on Vox.
This March, Ratchet and Clank are returning.
Oh, hang on there now.
Armed to the teeth. Ready to battle. And back on the PlayStation 2. In their most microscopic adventure yet.
I am going to regret this.
More weapons. More gadgets. Intense multiplayer action.
That was a close one.
Ratchet and Clank. Size matters. New for the PlayStation 2. Rated E 10+.
Let's get shrinking.
Doom Prison. To infiltrate this fortified fortress of fear, our agent, codenamed Dead Meat, will make his way along the grind rail of certain death, traverse the walkway of tortured souls, and ascend the grab ramp into the mouth of the Jolly Jackal. Good luck, Dead Meat. May you die a glorious hero's death.
What?
He's the last of his kind.
Oh, hello, Max. I thought I'd never see one again.
And the mystery of his past.
Our cells functioning at 8% capacity.
No, wait. Where did the Lombaxes go? Why did they leave me behind?
Is the only hope for the future.
We are here to help destroy it.
This fall, the secret to saving the universe is revealed.
We found it!
But what is it?
Well, sort of. Ratchet and Clank Future. Tools of destruction.
Did I call it a bad time?
He's the greatest secret agent. His enemies fear him. Women can't resist him. And his gadgets are state-of-the-art. Expecting someone else? He's Secret Agent Clank, saving the galaxy and looking good doing it. Exclusively for the PSP.
Word across the galaxy is you lost your first mate.
Do
'Tis a shame losing one's friend. Breaks me heart just to look at you. I can help you. I can take you to the one pirate in the universe who can give you what you seek. The only problem is, I already killed him. Come and get it, me hearty. Ratchet and Clank Future, Quest for Booty. Available only through the PlayStation Network.
Space. It's huge. Luckily for Ratchet, Captain Copernicus L. Quark was on the case. His mission, rescue the Lombax's one and only friend. Yep, without Clank, Ratchet was alone in the universe. Alone. Alone. Alone.
You realize this ship has an ejector seat, right?
The quest to rescue a friend leads to new allies.
General Alistair Azimuth. You, dear boy, look just like your father.
And a sinisterly secret plot.
So what is it this time, Nefarious?
Part of me wants to let you live long enough to find out. The other part really wants to kill you.
Well, at least we know what he went with.
Now, time is running out.
This clock, you think Clank's in there?
Danger is everywhere. And the universe needs a hero.
Not it!
PlayStation.
Joining us via satellite are Ratchet and Clank, the heroes who defeated Dr. Nefarious over 2 years ago.
It's time to go back to the way things were, you know? Leave the hero stuff to the other guys.
Like Galactic President Quark. President Quark?
She was taking a memo.
Yeah. Or anyone else. Remember us? That's crazy!
But it just might work.
Is it dangerous?
Well, actually, yes, it is.
Good. That was pretty impressive.
Well, team, I believe some congratulations are in order.
PlayStation.
For years, the galaxy has been protected by an uncrackable network of planetary defense centers. Engineered by 7 of the greatest minds in the universe, and one that was just kind of so-so. The network prevented evil from flooding the galaxy. But now, a familiar face from Ratchet and Clank's past is about to bring the entire system crashing down.
Was it me?
The galaxy's greatest heroes will now have to stop their most dangerous adversary yet. A villain so deceitful, so cunning, so terrifyingly evil. Insomniac Games had to hire someone whose every word drips with gravitas to talk about it. With cross-play support. Explore the battlefield. Defend your base. Annihilate your enemies. Ratchet and Clank Full Frontal Assault. Coming soon.
PlayStation.
Thanks, pal.
Incoming holocom from Apogee, Tawin. Vendra Prague isn't like the other criminals we faced. She's cold and empty in a way I've never seen.
I've got everything under control, Tal. Don't sweat it. What's happening?
It's her! I knew this was a bad idea!
Power fluctuation detected. Power fluctuation detected.
Did somebody say something about a savior?
Oh, hello there!
Mr. Zurkon is here to kill. Dimensionator, find the nethers!
Welcome, all of you.
Look at him go! He's a natural!
Kill them.
Mr. Zurkon's son is growing up so quickly.
Little Zircon needs something to shoot. PlayStation.
So, what do I call you?
I suppose my proper designation is Warbot Defect B54290.
Maybe I'll just call you Clank.
Hello, Melody.
My name's Ratchet.
If you have heart, then you have what it takes. You don't have what it takes. It all started with a hapless Lombax named Ratchet.
Does this mean you'll be asking these two heroes to join the Rangers?
Let's see what they've got. Oh boy.
I have your back, Ratchet.
Awesome! Ready, pal?
PlayStation.
You all right back there?
No way. It appears that the dimensions are collapsing on one another. If we cannot get to...
Right, the ship. I mean, we can't be that far.
I have it in my sight.
They have found us, Ratchet.
How do I steer this thing?
Ask nicely.
Slow down, please! Dad's not listening!
The dimensions are weakening considerably.
How bad is it?
Well, it is certainly not good.
Great!
Where are we?
Beats me.
To the depths with ya! How many arms you got, beast? We've been boarded! Get off me, ship, foul creature!
Clank!
Ratchet. We are too late. Ratchet?
Who? PlayStation.